Hi and welcome to this section, Monitoring in the AWS Cloud. Let's move on to our first video, which is introducing AWS CloudWatch. AWS CloudWatch is a service which is used for application and infrastructure monitoring. So here you have various metrics that are sent by the various AWS resources to the CloudWatch service. All of these metrics a time-ordered set of data points that get sent onto CloudWatch. And I said these are published for various AWS resources. So whether it be your elastic load balancers, whether it be your EC2 instances, whether it be auto-scaling groups, all of these resources will send different type of metrics onto the CloudWatch service. So for example, if you want to see the CPU utilization for an EC2 instance over time, what you can do is that you can send or automatically view the reports of the metrics in CloudWatch. Now you can also publish your own custom metrics. So it is not necessary that you only use CloudWatch to view the inbuilt metrics for the underlying AWS resources. If you want to send metrics for any one of your own maybe on-premise services or resources, you can publish those metrics to CloudWatch as well. In CloudWatch, you also have the stats for various metrics. So if you want to see stats such as the minimum, maximum, the sum or average, these are also available in CloudWatch. In CloudWatch, you can also create various graphs. So it's quite useful to create or graph your metrics over time. You can also create dashboards so that you can have a complete view of all of your AWS resources. You can also add different type of widgets to a dashboard. Now, apart from just viewing and seeing the metrics and graphing them, what you can also do is create alarms based on these metrics. So you could get notified if, let's say, a resource metric goes beyond a certain threshold. You can also create billing alarms, which is quite interesting. So for those organizations which need to keep a track on their costing, they can create billing alarms in CloudWatch as well. You can also create actions for EC2. So in case if an alarm is being reached, if something is wrong with an EC2 instance, then you can automatically create an action which can stop, terminate, reboot or recover an EC2 instance. You also have CloudWatch events, wherein data can be sent to other services based on events. Apart from this, you also have the log service. So here logs get published from the various AWS services. You can also publish logs from EC2 instances and even publish logs from your own servers using the CloudWatch agent. So there is a lot that you can do with the CloudWatch service. You've seen the different features.